Zayed Mosque in Abu Dhabi. Entering. Hello everyone. As you all know that I have come to Dubai to take part in Mrs. International Women of Substances 2024. So today we have planned to go to Abu Dhabi. No trip to Abu Dhabi is complete without a visit to Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque with its 82 domes, sky-piercing minarets and acres of gleaming white marble. This religious edifice will take your breath away. Here is everything, whatever we want to know about the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. It is the largest mosque in UAE. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is a colossal place of worship, big enough to accommodate over 40,000 visitors, which is just really impossible to think unless we are saying. The largest mosque in the UAE and the third largest in the world. The complex covers over 22,400 square meter. The main prayer hall can hold more than 7,000 worshippers, and there are two smaller prayer halls with a capacity of 1,500 each. Such is the mosque size that more than 1 lakh tons of Greek and Macedonian marbles were used in its construction. It's just awesome. It's a masterpiece of modern Islamic architecture. The 2.5 billion AED project took 12 years to complete, starting in 1996. Just think, 12 years it took to complete. The mosque draws on classic Mamluk, Ottoman and Fatimid architectural styles and features a lighting system that reflects the lunar phases, projecting colors onto the mosque's exterior that change nightly according to the moon. According to the moon, the colors of the different architects of the mosque used to get changes. मून की पोजीशन के साथ साथ इनके अंदर जो आर्किटेक्चरल काम है उसकी कलर्स चेंज होता रहता है. इट्स इंटीरियर मैरिज क्लासिक मिडल ईस्टर्न आर्क्ड doorways and geometric shapes with contemporary innovative designs. and इसके अंदर जो भी काम है उसमें different sort of geometrical shapes भी दिखाई देता है. It was built by an international team of artisans while Arabic in appearance and design. The creation of Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque was a collaboration between construction companies from around the world. Italian engineers Salini Impregilo led 3,000 workers from 38 contracting companies. That means 38 companies से कंपनी के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिए थे. ये इटालियन इंजीनियर थे सालिनी इम्प्रेगिलो. उन्होंने 3,000 वर्कर्स को लगाया था काम के लिए. while artisans from India, Germany, Egypt, Turkey, UK, China and Pakistan all lent their skills from these different countries. जितने भी countries का नाम मैंने लिया, ये सभी जगह से स्किल आर्किटेक्ट सब आके यहाँ पे काम किए थे. The main prayers hall carpet, the world's largest, was hand knotted by 1,300 Iranian craftsmanship. इनका जो मेन प्रेयर हॉल है वहाँ पे जो कारपेट लगा है उसमें 1,300 ईरानियन पीपल काम किए थे और जो न्यूजीलैंड की वूल से बनाया गया था. और वो इतनी भारी है, इतनी हेवी है कि उसको अगर उठाना चाहो तो वहाँ पे डिसमेंटल करना पड़ेगा. flown in on 2 aeroplanes then restitched on arrival. ये आया था वहाँ से 2 एरोप्लेन में आया था, उसके बाद वहाँ आके फिर स्टिच किया गया. All in the details. It's the details that make Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque so stunning, beautiful, semi.
नहीं बता पाएंगे. मैंने मेक माई ट्रिप से बुक किया था.
Yeah, now we have reached in front of Burj Khalifa fountain show and Burj Lake ride. The most highlighted parts. You can cruise Burj Lake by traditional Abra water taxi. Marvel at the illuminations of the Dubai Mall fountain show. You can enjoy a breathtaking spectacle of 6,000 lights and 22,000 gallons of airborne water. You can have front row seats to the best show in town with the Dubai Fountain Lake Ride to see the world's largest performing fountain. Be captivated as the fountain performs to a range of different songs from classical to contemporary, Arabic and world music. A captivating water, music and light spectacles in downtown Dubai. The Dubai Fountain is the world's tallest performing fountain. Dubai Fountain वर्ल्ड की सबसे ऊंचा फाउंटेन, परफॉर्मिंग फाउंटेन, सबसे ऊंचा एट ओवर 900 फीट इन लेंथ. उसकी लेंथ है 900 फीट, मतलब 274 मीटर्स. द दुबई फाउंटेन इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द 30 acres 1,20,000 मीटर स्क्वायर बुर्ज लेक. दुबई फाउंटेन कहाँ पे है? 30 acres बुर्ज लेक के ऊपर, and performs to a selection of different melodies. Different melodies play करते रहते हैं. It's just awesome journey. I cannot explain it what I have seen. मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ आप लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छे से वीडियो बनाया, और जैसे मैंने एंजॉय किया आप लोग भी उसको एंजॉय करो. जैसे लाइट वैसे वाटर वैसे म्यूजिक, मतलब तीनों की एक एक्सेलेंट कॉम्बिनेशंस विच इज रियली अनबिलीवेबल. होप यू ऑल विल एंजॉय लाइक द वे आई हैव एंजॉय. जैसे मैंने एंजॉय किया, मुझे उम्मीद है आप सब लोग भी मेरे साथ ऐसे ही एंजॉय करोगे. और ऐसे अच्छा वीडियोस के लिए मुझे फॉलो करते रहना. और जिन लोग अभी भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, तुरंत सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.
Now shopping completed. We're going to have a dinner. So many beautiful restaurants, and their decorations are so beautiful. Very nice it is. Lovely decoration. Bye bye Dubai. Coming back to India. We are in Dubai airport after completion of security checking and all in Emirates. Now we are going to our gate number.
Please hold on. Train is departing.
It's such a big airport that when I have to reach the gate, I have to travel through metro then. Now we are in Dubai airport, going to leave Dubai. Now it is 11:30 in the night. At 2 o'clock, according to Dubai timing, we are having the Emirates flight. Now we are shopping over here. Going to board the flight. Yeah. I have reached my India. वापस आ गया इंडिया में. Feeling very proud. Feeling very good. अपना देश ही होता है. Thank you all for your wishes, blessings, love. You all are my strength, my inspiration. My seniors, my elders, my relatives, my brothers, sisters, my husband, my lovely two children, and my students, and all my dear lovely teachers. Thank you for everything. God bless you all. Love you.